What are you gonna try?
Aspan, right? Did I pronounce it right? Aspan?
Yeah, asban. Yeah.
Aspan? Alright. Looks good.
Oh, you need maybe a knife.
Knife?
Well, you don't need a knife. Just cut it.
I just cut it with a spoon.
Yep.
Alright.
Is it hot? Do you like it?
Wow, good. Very good. So,
But
it's
do you
not
like?
what I was expected, but it's like,
Does it look weird?
no. But it's very, very good, like, in a good way. Like, let me get another bite. That's semolina, right?
Mm-hmm. Carrot, zucchini.
Carrot, lamb. Yes. Very, very good.
What do you like about it?
Like it's, let me get some of this juice. Flavor is very, very good. Wow, very like rich. Let me get the semolina again. I really like it.
What do you taste the? What is it?
It's very, very, very good. Like so. What all countries like make this?
Oh,
Algeria,
we make it in one region.
one region
Called
only.
kabyle. Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't know, because it's what they have. They have every region has its own tradition, own food, and everything. So
Okay.
my grandma used to make these. My mom used. My mom, my grandma. Well, they make the small one, like a very tiny one. This one is more like kind of fancy one.
Very, very good. Like.
But it's very good.
Excellent.
I like it. It's my favorite. I love it. So tomorrow is Eid, so I'm trying to eat something from home. And just remind me of home. My grandma, my mom, when we were back home. So that's like, how we call it here. It's comfort food. That's it?
Comfort food.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. We could call Yuma.
Yeah, when you call him and tell her happy Eid tomorrow. Okay.
And
What's your last word?
Thank you. Thank God for the food.
Last word. It's like what we call this thing going to jail?
Yeah, last supper.
Last supper.
Last supper.
Okay. Okay. Say bye.
Bye-bye.